Hi, good day everyone. So this is the model house of two-story socialized unit of Deca Homes, Bacolod. Ayan. So ito po yung yung sample unit in short. Ayan. So this is the bathroom area. Ayan. So lot area is 35 square meters. And aray po. Ito yung sa kitchen area, at least may 2 meters available space sa sa likuran. Ayan. So pwede nyo po siyang ipa-close as kitchen extension. So in model house, ito yung half. Ginawa nila ng laundry area. Pero pwede nyo rin po siyang straight at least for kitchen extension. Ayan. So let's check po yung sa taas. Ayan. So, tingnan po natin yung taas. So, ito po yung naka-partition na siya for 2 bedroom. Pero kung ito turn over po sa atin is as in lang gid po siya. Open space. Ito po, bali pinapakita at least maka-maximize kayo at least 2 bedroom. Ayan. So, this is the first bedroom. Pwede nyo po siyang lagyan ng bed. Or same nito. And yung cabinet. And then, this is the other room. Ayan. So, depende rin po sa inyong design. At least ito po, at least may idea kayo kung paano nyo po i-arrange yung unit. So, ito po is isa ring cabinet. Closet. Ayan. So, I hope ang video ito is nakatulong po sa inyo. At least may idea po kayo kung paano nyo po yung i-arrange ang inyo na unit. Ayan. Pwede nyo rin po yung sundin yung layout ng model house. Ayan. So, thank you for watching.